is going to show you, in this video, we're going to show you how to create a two variables data table. So let's get to it. So a little context. So Jessica projects the sales of Aspen Quilt will increase by 5% in the coming year, and associated expenses will rise by 1.5%. She wants to see the result in profit if sales and expenses change at different rates. Determine the change in profit as follows. So basically, she wants to see like what the forecasted sales would look like depending on a specific percentage and a specific rate. So so this is going to be the growth rate, and this is going to be like the percentage, I believe. So let's go ahead and start this. So in cell F18, we're going to use a formula to input B22, which is going to be the projected profit. So it's going to be B22, and then it's going to go right there. And now we are going to go ahead and do the two variable tables. So we're going to highlight all this, and we're going to go to data, then we're going to go what ifs, data table. And then for this, we're going to input for the rows section, we're going to put B21, which is going to be right here. And this is going to be the expense increase, because that's what Jessica projects, that the associated expenses will rise by 1.5%. So we're going to put that in there. And then for the column input cell, she thinks it's going to go up by 5%. So for that, the projected growth, it's going to be this. So we're going to press OK, and that's it. So this is now going to give her an idea of what the projected growth would be depending on a specific percentage and so on. So yeah, this is good for finances, if you're working with numbers or data or analyzing growth projections. So yeah, that's it.